Yesterday, we saw what AI, ML, and deep learning are. Today, let's get our hands on Python, the language of AI. We'll cover variables, data types, and loops, the basic building blocks. Let's start with variables. Think of them as containers for data. Here we've defined a string, an integer, and a boolean. Python figures out the type for you. Here are key data types you'll use a lot in AI. Lists and printing. Now let's talk about storing multiple items. Lists are super useful in AI for storing arrays of data, predictions, or features. Use print to see what's going on. It's your best friend for debugging. Loops in Python. Let's automate repetition using loops. Here's a for loop. This prints 0, 1, 2, useful for going through data samples or training epochs. Now a while loop. This keeps printing until the condition fails. Perfect for training models until accuracy improves. Wrap up and tease tomorrow. Congrats! You've just covered Python basics that every AI, ML engineer uses. Tomorrow, we dive into NumPy and Pandas, the libraries that give Python superpowers for handling data. Hit like, comment with your favorite Python trick, and see you in day 3.